Okay, just a kind of a short video here. Yeah, I'm doing this at night because this is the door jamb switch for the dome light and the little bell dinging on a. This is a '98 Dodge Dakota, and I was trying to find something to tell me how to replace this switch. You can't do it from the inside because you can't get to it unless you tear everything apart. I think you got to take the dash out and everything to get to it from the inside. But it's real simple to do. This little piece right here is like it's a clip-on piece, and what you have to do to pop it out is just kind of get a, I don't know, see them little notches right there? Put a screwdriver in there and pry out a little bit, and it pops this piece out from that piece, which is kind of, you know, it just kind of slides in there, and when you press this in there, of course it spreads these little things out and makes it hold in there. So I just wanted to make a little video because I couldn't find it on the internet anywhere on how to replace that. So, like, I don't know if you can see it or not. Wish this was in the daylight, but it's not. Those little notches right there, you take and put you a screwdriver in there, and you pry this piece right here out, and it'll pop out of there, and then you can pull the old one out and put the new one in. Hope that helps somebody.